Two more things about assignment types. You can customize the assignment types you create. For example, if you're in a situation in which you teach multiple preps and you only want to see certain assignment types for certain classes when you're making assignments, you can change how the assignment types are viewed or where they're viewed by clicking on Secure Measure Type. So for example, if I have this category, this assignment type called Performances, and I only want that to show up in my 6th period class, if I click on Secure Measure Type, I can hide it in all my other classes and leave it showing only for my 6th period class. In addition to that, if I want to delete or edit one of these assignment types, you can see I've got those two buttons here right on the left side next to the assignment type. So let's say I want to delete the journal assignment types. I can click on that X and I can be prompted to delete. I can also edit, and I can edit the name, the color, the sequence, how it shows up in terms of whether there's a due date available on the particular assignment. It is important to note though, prior to deleting or prior to making any changes to assignment types, you do need to take into account that your students and your parents that are looking at your gradebook will be used to the naming convention that you've assigned or that you've applied to your assignment type, and also the color. So when you do make changes to assignment types after the term has begun, you may get some questions from students or parents.